Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to use this video as an opportunity to give an update on the progress that we've got done to the yellow Mustang. It is at the frame shop right now, but we have video footage of us disassembling it, getting it ready for the frame shop, and that's what this video is going to be about. A quick update on JJ. I still do not have my engine back. It's been a week. Tomorrow will be a week when I have dropped it off at my parts at the machine shop. So I'm still waiting on my block and my crank and my head, and he's almost done with it. There was a delay on some of the parts coming in, so that's the hold up right now, is I'm still waiting to get my engine back. And when I get that back, y'all will get to see me go back together with the engine and JJ. So right now, let's just get the video footage rolling of us tearing down the Mustang. Hope y'all enjoy it. Okay guys, we have the Mustang loaded on the trailer, and I'm actually riding in the Mustang. This particular trailer has the wheel wells that's raised from the bottom, and a car that's low to the ground as this Mustang is, when you have it loaded, you cannot open the doors. My nephew didn't really have a problem with that. He would just lower the windows down, and he would climb in and out of the windows. Me and my brother were both too fat to do that, so I volunteered to ride in the Mustang over to the frame shop. That's where we're going right now. We're going to the frame shop to get the framework done, and then we should get the car back from the frame shop, and I'll be able to do our part where I do the body work and the paint. So that's what we were doing right now, and that's going to wrap up this video. While we're in the car, just a little bit about it. This is the Mustang with the performance pack. It's got these 2 extra gauges right here. It's got the premium sound system down here, and the inside of the car is just beautiful. This car is awesome. It is extremely fast, and I can't wait to make a video of us doing a test run in this car. So y'all come back next time, and we'll see what we got going then. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.